Today, we are going to show you how to trial the PicOS-V virtual operating system. This will allow you to preview and test all the features of PicOS with zero cost. To help you get started quickly, we will provide detailed explanations on 4 aspects: sign in, download, install and deploy, test and validate. Step 1. Sign in. First, you can find the PicOS-V page on the FS homepage banner. Click Learn More to find the entrance to download PicOS-V. Once you click Download Now, you will be directed to the login page. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can enter PicOS-V in the search bar to navigate to the Details page. Click Start Trial to proceed further. Register or enter your user ID and password to log in. Step 2. Download. Then, you can get the installation package and user guide. Here are installation packages for 3 major virtualization programs: VMware, GNS3, and VirtualBox. You can download the appropriate package based on your specific application requirements. PicOS-V for Upgrade is used to upgrade the PicOS-V system. The PicOS-V user guide and PicOS-V and GNS3 user guide will guide you on how to configure it. Step 3. Install and deploy. Now let's start the installation. First, click Download to install the GNS3 virtualization programs. Once you have installed it, open the program. Navigate to Edit Preferences by selecting Preferences from the top menu. And you need to set up a new KeyEMU virtual machine. To do this, go to KeyEMU KMU VMs in the Preferences menu and click New. You will be prompted to enter a name for your new KeyEMU VM. Type in PicOS-V4, 4.0 inches and click Next. Then select the KeyEMU binary from the list provided, enter 2048 MB for the RAM to ensure the VM runs smoothly, then click Next. Next, set the console type to Telnet. This will allow you to connect to the virtual machine using a terminal window. Click Next to continue. It's time to select the disk image. Click on New Image and browse to find the file. Once selected, click Finish. After that, you need to set the symbol for the VM. This will make it easier to identify and manage your VM in GNS3. Finally, click Apply and OK to save the settings. With the VM set up, let's create a test topology in the GNS3 environment. Start by creating a new GNS3 project. Select File Open Project from the top menu. Enter the name of your new project as Test PicOS-V New and click OK. Next, from the Devices menu on the left, select the PicOS-V device. Drag 2 PicOS-V devices into the new project window. These will act as your virtual switches. Then, select the connector icon from the Devices menu on the left. Use this tool to connect the SUP1 ports of the 2 switches. This will create a link between them. Once connected, click the play button on the top menu to activate the connection. After completing this step, you have successfully created the topology. Step 4. Test and validate. Now, you can log into the switch on PicOS-V and begin exploring and testing its features such as LLDP, VLAN, and more. Right-click and select Console to log in to PicOS-V using the serial port. You can view information such as PSU, system fan, temperature, etc. Enter the command admin to log in and start configuring LLDP and VLAN. Here is the whole process of trialing PicOS-V. Welcome to visit the FS website to download and use PicOS-V. Explore its features, create prototypes, and test your network for free now.